The manufacturing process of Cara film is combining the film, the glue, and the liner together as one product. IRISTEK is confident to be distinctive to other brands because it not only insists with the German raw materials, but also has the particular details at each step of manufacturing. Now follow me to explore it step by step. The first step is feeding liner. The most important of this step is to make sure the liner is flat and precisely fed in. Since then, the glue shall be coated on it averagely at the following step. Here are several rollers. The liner must go through these rollers and be pulled by them with tension to keep flat. The operators must control the tension just fit for the liner from this panel, neither more nor less. The second step is gluing. The liner is loaded to here for coating glue on it. How to make sure the averagely gluing? Look, there is a ruler here. The thickness of this ruler is just 35 microns. Before start gluing, the operator shall insert this ruler into the gluing slot to check if it shall be just fit in for the whole slot. After gluing, liner and glue together will go inside the hot air oven for curing. Then follow to the next step. Here is feeding film. Equally, the key point in here is the tension controlling tool. The film must be put straight and accurately to composite with the glue and liner together. Therefore, we can also see some rollers, sensors, and the tension control panel here. However, there is something different. In here, the tension control must be set according to each film for every time. There is no fixed value. It all depends on the observing and judgment to the film from operator. The final step is rewinding. After the liner, glue, and the film is composite together by the previous steps, it is rewinded into a semi-finished product in about 600 meters. Then, it shall be slitted into 18 meters each roll and wait for delivery to you. Now there are so many brands and companies come into car rod film industry. Everyone says they have good quality. However, although materials and equipment can be simulated, still there are a lot of things affecting the quality of manufacturing, such as tension, loading speed, air blowing, temperature, humidity, and so on. In order to control well all these things according to any actual situation, we need remarkable attention and experience from workers, not just materials and equipment. That's how IRISTEK workers are strictly insisting for.